Welcome to Spotter GPS tracking. Today we discuss about how to install GPS devices on your vehicle. Okay, let's start. This is our super mini size GPS tracker. First, GPS wiring diagram. Here was 4 color wire from the GPS are going. Connect red wire to battery positive pole. Connect black wire to battery negative pole. Connect orange wire to ignition point of your vehicle, and the rest white wire for connect relay, keep it blank. After that, you have to install a SIM on your GPS. For that, open the GPS device cover, insert the SIM card properly, switch on by sliding the switch. After switch on, a red LED will blink, shown as on picture. Next, technical diagram here, where after completing the physical installation or physical wiring, where you have to put the devices or where you fix the devices. Here is various places you can fixing up. The green marked area are most suitable position of install your GPS tracker. Next, command installation process. After physical installation and power on the device and fix the device in any directed place of vehicle, you have to initiate the command installation process for connect the device with our server. It is possible through send SMS command to the device SIM number. Below are the command details written in red color. For connect this server, send server 2018 37.187.336.79 5023 hash. Here 37.187.336.79 is our IP address, 5023 is server port. Next, you have to set APN. If you use Vodafone, send APN, IoT.com hash. If Airtel, send APN, airtelgprs.com hash. After that, you have to restart your device by sending command reset hash. Now the command installation is completed. You can check your device configuration by the commands of check server and port, send param hash for check GPS GPRS status, send status hash. After that, you can check your vehicle current live location by sending SMS URL hash. After sending the command, you can get a Google Map link. By clicking it, you can verify your vehicle location. Next, you have to ask your dealer to go to master control panel, create your username and password, and add the device with the user. Skip this step if you have already username and password. Log in with your username and password through apps or website. Here is some common mistakes on GPS installation. If commands not sent to device, check device wiring, check device is properly powered on, or LED lights are blinking, or the SIM is inserted properly. If commands not sent to device SIM number, simply add +91 before device SIM number. If GPS found 0 on reply of GPS GPRS stat command, simply change GPS device fixing position on vehicle. If found other than IP 37.187.226.79 and port 5023 on reply of PARAM hash command, send the connect the server command again. If the device being hanged or not work properly, do restart the device with reset hash command. While vehicle tracking system is combination of GPS device, internet connected SIM card and server subscription. So for successful operation of GPS tracking system, GPS device required command configuration OK and fixing in right position. SIM cards of the device require internet activated and should have a activated username and password with valid server subscription. You can contact us